Hi there, I hope you are doing well. So, this is another tutorial, and here I'll show you how to record in Audacity. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So if you are visiting very first time in my channel, so please check the description, you will find all the videos related with the Audacity. What are you waiting for? Let us jump to the tutorial right now. But make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update of this channel. Quick! Let us move to the screen. So this is the interface you will find when you will open Audacity for the first time in your laptop or PC. Then this is the red button you have to remember every time if you are going to record in Audacity. Start. तू वो नहीं जो तू सोच रहा है, तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है, तेरी अंदर अनंत शक्ति है, पहचान उसे, निखार उसे और दिखा दे इस दुनिया को कि तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है, तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है. So our recording is completed right now. To stop the recording, you have to click the stop button. So this is the stop button, you can see stop. So click here. So now quickly we'll listen what we have recorded till now. So you have to click in this button. This is called play button. तू वो नहीं जो तू सोच रहा है, तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है, तेरी अंदर अनंत शक्ति है, पहचान उसे, निखार उसे और दिखा दे इस दुनिया को कि तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है, तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है. So far you have learned how to record in Audacity. Now please go to the I button and watch the next video where I'll show you how to edit these recordings. And also please visit the description, there you'll find several other videos related with the Audacity. And please ask anything in the comment section, I'll answer it about this tutorial. If you are not understanding anything, you can ask, you can comment and share this video to all teachers, those who are going to produce e-content in near future. See you, keep learning, stay healthy. Bye bye.